This is Kelly Berry with MarineMax, and I'm standing here next to James Pate with Scout Boats, and he's here to talk a little bit about the all-new 530 LXF. So James, can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, we're really excited about our new 53-foot flagship center console that we're releasing this fall at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show in November. It's an amazing boat. We've been working on it for about 2 years, and it's awesome that we're now going to finally debut it. We plan to finish it in the middle of August, and then do some testing with our manufacturing partners for its formal release at the Fort Lauderdale show.
And can you tell me a little bit of some of the great features that this boat's going to have?
It's just an amazing boating platform, and unlike anything else out there. It will have a seakeeper in it as a standard feature. Standard outboard power will be either 4, 5, or 6 outboard engines, and with generators that will run AC systems, completely enclosed helm area. It's going to be unlike anything else in the 50-foot center console class. Just a bar-setting model for sure for the industry.
It definitely sounds like it, and that's going to be an incredible model, especially with those motors on the back.
Yeah, and then just down below, the accommodations are really unique. The extent that we've gone to designing the interior of the boat will blow our competition away, and also just amaze our consumers. So we're excited, and world debut is Fort Lauderdale Boat Show, November 2018.
Yeah, so be sure to check it out at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show this year. And if you're interested in anything about Scout Boats, be sure to visit MarineMax.com or your local stores.